my files? When is my files doing my audibles? Let's go back to another month. The July is not cutting it. This one was on the 20th. Okay, so Hulu is on the 24th, which is also a student discount. And I want to say that anyone that has that is a student, you can also get Showtime and I believe Hulu with the Spotify. But I already have a Hulu student discount anyway. That's only $1.99 a month, and it's premium also. And then of course I have my Verizon Audible. So Audible's next, right? No, PayPal. Okay, so it's PayPal and then my home insurance. Okay. Okay, 26. For my PayPal credit, that is at $29. And then 26. I'm really trying to get this line down to be shorter. Same from home and car insurance, that is at 1 for this month because I finally went and got my defensive driving course. That's at 188. 826 again. Remember Verizon internet provider, my files. That's at $56.33. I have ELAINE, so Audible, $327. So this, this is a $830. I guess the date got changed. Audible is at $14.99. Okay, then one more. So this actually should have been at the top. My Chase account, I have $5 going into it just to keep the account open because I was a student and I need to have an automatic transfer going into that account. The same thing with my Bank of America account that I still can't give up. So I always make sure to have like money in them. Let's get my job phone and do this. Because I like the, for the iPhone, I like the screen for actually doing things like this. Okay. 2090 plus 50 plus 35 plus 28 plus 25 Ish, it's already a lot. It's not much I pay per month. This just goes to show how much you don't know you're spending bit by bit. And it's really good to put these things down on paper. Because I did it a bit, but I only do it now, like just to see, okay, well, am I short on this end? Did I pay this? And somehow, God willing, I come up with the money. Because of the little side gigs I do. 37 plus $4.99 plus no, let's see, plus 43.5 plus 55.64 plus 64 plus 20 plus 199 plus 29 plus 188 plus 56.33 plus Oh, okay. $14.99 plus 5. So this is how much my necessities are, my so-called monthly bills, and over time I'm going to be cutting this down shorter, guys, so that I am not living with above my means. And this is why doing the side gigs really do come in handy of different things that I do. It looks like a bit, but over time they do add up, especially with the Best Mark mystery shop stuff. So, you know, $25, $45 here, and then other companies, they prefer you to. Oh, also, that reminds me, the Presto app, I've also started to use that as well, which I'm going to do a job for today, like I mentioned earlier. And thank God for Dimples on Demand, because she actually talked about in her video that was really something that's pretty much as easy as pie. Like, you're just doing things that you would normally do throughout your day, in terms of like going to do like a bank transfer or opening up a bank account, like, which is something I'm gonna do today, which is necessary anyway. Okay, so this is my total. These are all my bills for the month. $2,667.82. And before my camera dies, ugh. Let me do. So I normally make, for the sake of like not getting exact numbers, 12, say every 2 weeks, times 2, that's 24. Maybe that's why I'm able to. For my 9-to-5 income, I make 24 minus 2,667, 82. Yeah, I just like, I do prefer to do like even numbers. I know this month I need to come up with an additional $243.82 to cover all of my monthly bills. But most of the times, and this is not including, I haven't included gas, groceries, which I tend to put on these cards so that I can get rewards, especially for my flagship and my cash rewards card with Navy Federal. And I've noticed is I tend to overspend, because when I go back to pay the card, like I do normally with the flagship, where is it? That's at $355. I'll pay this a couple times a month. For whatever reason, I didn't do that, and you know, that's the minimum for this month. And with me overspending everything, because I have high limits, it's harder to pay down. So that's where I get the debt of, you know, that 29,000, damn near 30,000, and I'm at 31. So I need to get my life together. Yeah, guys, so thank you for coming and spending this time with me and being here on my journey. I hope I can share with you guys some tips and tricks and stuff that I've done, and stuff that you'll be interested in, especially because everyone has this turning point in their life where they actually do need to track everything that they're doing and become the quote-unquote, what my friends call a super adult, and start putting things to automatic payments, so that especially for automatic payments for savings and stuff like that, for things that you want to do for your future. And I do have my savings account, but I'll prefer not to use those. The money I've accumulated, and figure out other ways to